Hey Insulators, this is Travis and Shirley. They own Southern Services down here in Jacksonville, Florida. Tell us a little bit about what you offer, Travis.
Roofing and insulation, seamless gutters.
They just purchased a CM1500. They had some questions about the electrical. And sometimes when you get out onto a job site, you're going to find, especially in retrofit situations, the electrical may not be right. And when that's not right, your machine may not run correctly. So we brought this for them and gave that to them for testing out the electrical on the job site. They're opting to just go ahead and put a generator on the trailer, which is a great move too. Well, we appreciate you letting us come out here and show you around, and nice to meet you all. And if you have any questions,
nice to meet you.
yeah, just give me a call. You know I'm available.
All right. Yes, sir.
I'll answer my phone
That's a
Saturday,
fact.
Sunday,
That's a
Monday,
fact.
Tuesday, Wednesday. Thank you very much.
Yeah. All right.